The best leave-in conditioner.
Hello people, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia. Oh yeah, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to do one of the best leave-in conditioner, the comfort of your home. If you are new to the channel, here on this channel we teach you how to do homemade hair growth products. So if you are new, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any hair video from me. So our first ingredient we need is shea butter, and we are going to melt it with hot water. As we are melting the shea butter, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell us the kind of leave-in conditioner you use. Is it already made or homemade? And if you've used the two before, which one is better, homemade or already made? Let us know down in the comment section. So guys, our shea butter has melted and we are going to add the next ingredient. So our next ingredient is coconut oil. For the purpose of this video, I'm not using the cold pressed coconut oil I did the last time. If you haven't watched that video, scroll down, go to my channel and watch it. I'm using this coconut oil, and the next one is castor oil. So castor oil is the next one. I'm just going to put a drop. I'm just doing something that I can use for at least a month and not more than a month. I don't want plenty. So the next ingredient is honey. All the ingredients I use so far are all very good for our hair. Coconut oil, castor oil, honey, and shea butter. They are all very good hair products that can solve problems ranging from breakage, dry hair, mentioned in almost 90% of hair growth problems. After adding those ingredients, it's very necessary that we mix them very well before we add the next one. So here I'm just making sure that the honey is well mixed with the others. Since honey is heavier, if I don't mix it well, it will sink. Our next ingredient is our essential lemongrass oil. This also is homemade. If you haven't watched that video too, please go to my channel and watch how to make your own lemongrass oil from scratch. So guys, after doing this, we are going to put this mixture in the freezer for 15 minutes. So this is our product from the freezer, solidified, and we are going to blend it. So guys, here I don't have a mixer, that's why I'm using blender. So if you have a mixer, you can go ahead and mix it with your mixer. But if you don't have a mixer, join me, let's use blender and blend our thing. It will still give us the same result. So if you have noticed, when I remove the thing from the freezer, the honey has sinked under all the products. The coconut oil and the others were at the top, and the honey has sinked. So when we blend it, it will mix everything very well. So if you don't have a mixer, you can use blender and blend it just like the way I'm doing it. Blend it for at least 5 minutes. Make sure everything is well mixed. Then pour your mixture back into a bowl and let it go back into the freezer for another 15 minutes. Let it solidify. And then before it goes into the freezer, let me give you a closer look. This is how it looks like. Now let's put it back into the freezer and bring it out. This is our product from the freezer, solidify. Put your leave-in conditioner in a container and store it for as long as you want. So guys, until I see you guys in my next video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Peace.